Creating product demo videos used to be a nightmare. It was slow, expensive, and required a whole production team just to get a basic version ready for launch. But today, everything changes. I'm going to show you how to build professional, high-converting demos in minutes using ngram's powerful agentic AI platform. Whether you're a SaaS founder, a marketer, or a product manager, this is the tool that's going to save you thousands of dollars and weeks of production time. We'll walk through the entire process, from your first prompt to the final download. Let's dive into the dashboard and see exactly how it works. First, head over to ngram.com. Once you log in, you'll reach your dashboard. To get started, click on Create New Video. You'll see several specialized options. Our focus today, Product Demo. Now for the magic. Enter a detailed prompt describing your product. You can even paste a landing page URL or a Help Center article as a reference for the AI. Next, let's choose your narrator. Ngram has a massive library of high-quality AI avatars. Now select a voice. From warm and conversational to authoritative and bold, there's a perfect match for any brand voice in over 100 languages. Setting the art style ensures total visual consistency. Ngram offers various presets to make your video look professional and on-brand immediately, without any design skills. Whether you want a corporate, polished look or something more vibrant for social media marketing, the choice is yours and it's all automated. With your settings locked in, Ngram generates a full narrative script. You have full creative control here. You can edit any line, add more technical detail, or simply tell the AI to rewrite a specific section for a different tone. Click on Generate. Next is the storyboard phase. This is where you see exactly how the video will flow, scene by scene, with the selected visuals and animations already mapped out. Take a moment to review the visuals and the pacing. Once it looks good to you, just hit Approve to move directly into the final video generation phase. Ngram now assembles every element, animating the narrator's lip sync, syncing the high-fidelity voice, and applying your selected art style and transitions. In just a fraction of the time it would take a traditional editor, your professional product demo is fully rendered, polished, and ready for you to watch. In today's social-first world, accessibility is key. Toggle on the auto-generated captions to ensure your message gets through clearly, even on mobile platforms. You can fully customize the font, colors, and positioning to match your brand's design language perfectly, ensuring a cohesive and professional look. Finally, it's time to export. Ngram supports high-resolution downloads, so your product demos look crisp and clear on any screen, from laptops to giant monitors. And there you have it, a high-quality, professional product demo created entirely with AI, ready to be shared with your customers and prospects across the web. Can you see how much time and money you can save for your team? No more waiting weeks or spending thousands of dollars for a single demo video. Head over to ngram.com right now and sign up for free to start creating your own polished, on-brand product videos in just a few minutes. It's the smartest way to show off your product. I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.